Did you know that despite spending most of their lives in water, hippos can't actually swim? In fact, their bodies are far too dense to float. Instead, they gallop along the riverbed like underwater dancers. And here's the wild part: they can even sleep underwater without drowning. Let's dive into the incredible secrets of the hippo. Their bodies are far too dense to float, so hippos move by pushing off from the bottom of the river in a slow-motion gallop, lightly touching the bottom with their toes, which are slightly webbed. This isn't swimming at all. It's more like walking in slow motion on the moon. Their bones are exceptionally dense, a condition called pachyostosis, which is characteristic of semi-aquatic animals and helps them stay underwater. In deeper waters, hippos push off the bottom and leap forward, creating the illusion of swimming. Underwater, hippos can move at speeds of up to 5 miles per hour using their galloping motion. Scientists have compared their movement to astronauts walking on the moon, bouncing and gliding with surprising grace despite weighing up to 9,000 pounds. Hippos can even sleep underwater, using a reflex that allows them to bob up, take a breath, and sink back down without waking up. Adult hippos can hold their breath underwater for as long as 5 minutes. This incredible adaptation means they can rest in the water during the day, while staying alert enough to surface for air automatically, all without opening their eyes. And here's the craziest part. Hippos have their eyes, ears, and nostrils located on top of their heads, allowing them to stay mostly submerged while still being able to see, hear, and breathe. Combined with their automatic breathing reflex, this means hippos are perfectly engineered for a life spent almost entirely underwater. Yet they never actually swim. Nature's design is absolutely mind-blowing. Want to learn more incredible facts like this? Visit Sikho.ai for amazing science and nature discoveries.